Welcome to Gripo, your unified multi-cloud Kubernetes platform built for speed, simplicity, and scale. Today, we will guide you on how to import an Azure cluster into Gripo using two easy methods, kubeconfig and secret. From the Gripo dashboard, navigate to the cluster section and click on all clusters. Now, click on import cluster button. A pop-up window will appear offering two import methods, kubeconfig and secret. Let's start with kubeconfig. Click on the kubeconfig tab. Click choose file to open your local file explorer. Select the kubeconfig file of the Azure cluster you want to import. After selecting the file, you will see the configuration details displayed. Now provide a cluster name and select the provider. Click Submit. A confirmation pop-up will appear indicating your cluster has been successfully imported. In the cluster section, you will now see the imported cluster listed with the type marked as imported by kubeconfig and its status as running. Now let's import a cluster via secret. Make sure your Azure cluster is already detached and ready for import. Click Import Cluster. Select the Secret tab and then choose Azure. In step 1, select the secret and resource group from the drop-down menu. In step 2, the available clusters matching the selected secret and resource group will be displayed. Choose the cluster you wish to import and click Next. In step 3, check the box to allow Gripo to register this cluster under your license. Then click Submit. A success message confirms that the cluster has been imported successfully. Back in the cluster section, you will see both clusters are listed. One marked as imported by kubeconfig, the other as imported by secret. Importing Azure clusters has never been easier. Experience streamlined multi-cloud control with Gripo. Thanks for watching.